international travel packing tips para maiwasan natin ma-overpack at ma-overstimulate sa kadami-dami nating kailangan i-pack for that certain trip. First, I really wanted to share that I plan my outfit day by day and I label it sa mga packing cubes ko. For example, yung day 1 ko na top and bottoms, naka-fold na yan sila together and nakalagay na sila sa upper part ng aking packing cube so that that's the first thing that I'm going to grab for the day 1. Number 2, speaking of packing cubes, if I'm going to tropical countries, yes, nilalagay ko lahat sila sa packing cubes para compressed ang lahat and fit sila sa luggage ko. And kapag pupunta naman ako sa mga winter countries, malalamig na areas, then I bring my vacuum seal. Take note, yung electric vacuum suction natin, it works perfectly well here in the Philippines. Pero pag nasa ibang countries ka like Japan, they only have 110 volts there. So hindi ganun ka-powerful ang ating vacuum seal. So better bring the manual pump para you can compress and still vacuum your clothes even if you are in another country na iba naman ang kanilang voltage regulation. Number 3, as a very light packer, I got this from my husband. Gamitin lahat ng mga heaviest items on the plane. Lahat ng mga mabibigat like your jackets, your sneakers, gamitin nyo na sa plane para hindi kayo sumobra sa baggage allowance na binigay ni airline. And this works well if you go from the other country, from outside the country, going into the Philippines kasi I'm sure marami kayong pasalubong na binili. Number 4, I use AirTag for security. Hindi yung mamahaling AirTag ha. I personally use like this lang, the Loshal tag. It's only 200 plus pesos dito sa TikTok. It works like an AirTag. I can track my bag real time. Nalilink siya sa Find My in my iPhone. Hindi mo naman kailangan bumili ng mamahalin na Apple AirTag eh. Just this one, 200 plus pesos, meron ka ng case. And you can put this in your luggage, in your bag. For example, if pupunta ka ng Europe. So we have situations sa mga airlines na minsan naiiwan nila ang ating mga luggage here sa Philippines or any connecting flights. So better to have this so you know the real status kung nasaan ba ang bag mo. Especially if wala kang insurance. Number 5, this take up so much space. Okay? Don't bring your full-size toiletries. Ang dami pa rin gumagawa nito. Just use this kind of refillable bottles. This one is silicone. I really like this one kasi mapupush mo siya until the last drop and it is secure. This is actually maliit na. This one naman for the bigger size. So, diba, you can just insert it anywhere if wala ka ng baggage space. Okay, there you go. Those are the 5 tips I can share to you. And if you guys have travel soon, you can use my Agoda discount codes. These are up to 10% off. Sa hotels, you can use GG Agoda for up to 10% off in all of your Agoda hotel bookings. And for activities, tours, transportation, SIM cards, you can use Adulting Engineer for also up to 10%